Rainboots for Breakfast. It is about Frog and what he does in the morning while it is raining outside.
Rainboots for Breakfast by Marcia Leonard and John Himmelman. On Saturday, Frog woke up to dark gray skies and pounding rain. "Hurrum!" he said. "What nasty weather! I'm going back to sleep."
Then he heard a funny noise. Mumble, rumble, grumble. It was his tummy growling. So what do you think Frog did next?
Did he crawl under his bed to hide from the noise? Did he stand on his head and sing "Happy Birthday"? Did he tickle his toes to make himself laugh? Or did he go downstairs to get something to eat? "My tummy wants breakfast," said Frog. He put on his bathrobe and slippers and hurried downstairs to the kitchen.
He got out a glass and some dishes, a napkin and silverware, and he set the table.
Then he searched through the cupboard and the refrigerator for something tasty to eat. Now, what do you think Frog decided to have? A plate of dry leaves with weeds on the side?
A pair of fried rain boots with a mugful of mud, a bowl of cereal, and a glass of orange juice. Or toasted jelly beans with marshmallow fluff. Frog ate up all his cereal and drank all his juice. "Delicious," he said. "Rumble, grumble," said his tummy. "I guess I'm still hungry," said Frog. He got out a loaf of bread and a jar of strawberry jam. He put 2 slices of bread in the toaster and waited until they popped up, all warm and golden brown. Then, what do you think Frog did next? Did he spread jam on the toast and eat it? Did he put it in the sink to see if it would float? Did he tell it a story and tuck it into bed? Or did he use it to wipe off the table? Frog ate up every crumb of toast and jam. "Yum," he said, and this time his tummy said nothing. At last it was quiet and happy. Frog patted his mouth with his napkin. Then he got up from the table and neatly pushed in his chair.
"First, I'll put away the cereal, the juice, and the jam," thought Frog. Then what do you think he did with his dirty dishes? Did he sail them through the air like flying saucers? Did he wash them and dry them and put them away? Did he sweep them out the door with a broom? Or did he stack them in a dark corner of the basement?
As Frog washed his dishes, the clouds started to roll away. As he dried them and put them in the cupboard, the sun came out.
As he got dressed, the sky turned a lovely blue. "Hooray!" said Frog. "It's going to be a beautiful day after all." Then he hurried outside to enjoy the fine weather.
And that's the story of Frog in Rainboots for Breakfast. Well, I hope you enjoy this story as much as I do. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Good night.